Welcome to the Fusion 360 Mastery Series, where you'll embark on an epic journey into the world of 3D design. Get ready to unleash your creativity, bring your ideas to life, and turn your passion into reality. Our mission is simple: to empower you with the skills you need to become a Fusion 360 superstar, all for free. Get ready for mind-blowing projects, step-by-step tutorials, free internships, and a community of fellow mechanical engineers like you. Let's get started. Your Fusion 360 adventure begins now. What is Autodesk Fusion 360? Autodesk Fusion 360 is an all-in-one design, engineering, electronics, and manufacturing software. Fusion 360 connects your entire product development process into one cloud-based software with integrated 3D CAD, CAM, CAE, and PCB. Who uses Autodesk Fusion 360? Industrial designers, mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, machinists, hobbyists, and startups use Autodesk Fusion 360. Is Autodesk Fusion 360 free? Autodesk Fusion 360 is free for hobbyists, for non-commercial use, and for qualifying startups. The link to download the free version of Fusion 360 is available in the description box of this video.
RoyalMechanical.com offers job and industry-oriented courses for mechanical engineers. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, consider subscribing. Thanks.